Hell no!
Hey YouTube, how you doing? I was right in the middle of filming the video I was going to show you today when I found out that my fridge is broken. So because I'm still working on that video, I hope you guys will put up with this week's compilation and a new BAM moment that nobody's seen before. And plus there's a little preview from the video that I was making when my fridge died. Enjoy! What we call in Japanese kanistik. This is imitation crab meat. BAM! Next up you'll need cucumber. BAM! Wow, this is way more cucumber than I actually need. You need these, green onions. So, BAM! And I went out and I got a live fish. BAM! Leftover Costco chicken. BAM! BAM! Chickpeas. What? Holy crap! Let's get right to it and turn this into some sushi rice. BAM! Huh? BAM! What? Hey, okay, thanks for waiting. Let's see if we can turn this sucker back into sushi rice. Come on, man! BAM! Yo! BAM!
Not again!
The thing every cat is scared of.
BAM!
Need I explain?
BAM!
Okay, now I'll quickly make a California roll.
BAM!
Fire Japanese coffee.
BAM!
I'm not even gripping it. Yo, that's thin enough to see through. Hey, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share. More content on the way.